This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lessa Miller. Enjoy the easy living of a condo with a garage. Open floor plan with high ceilings. Secure building. Close to the city bus line with a shelter house just outside of this Barrington Place complex on 10th Street. Take 10th Street straight into the heart of the Indiana University, IU, campus. Woods border the backyard. Close to the new IU hospital. Close to bike-friendly paths. Post office, college, mall, shopping and dining. Your own laundry room equipped with a washer and dryer adjoins the kitchen. HOA fee includes water, sewer, trash removal, mowing, snow removal, care of common areas and building exterior maintenance. For more information, review the details below.